Hello, I'm Robert Dalson with Oliver Marketing, and right now I'm talking to you about Screen Innovations. Screen Innovations is a company that was founded in 2003 by Ryan Gustafson in Austin, Texas, in his garage. He was a custom installer who was very frustrated at the time because the current screen products he had to offer weren't very good. The construction he felt was a little bit lacking, so he felt he could do a better job. Fast forward a couple of years, and he attained that goal by building a much better frame, award-winning fabrics, as well as materials that now they're considered gold standards within the consumer electronics industry. One of these is called Black Diamond. This is a screen material that allows front projection screens to achieve the same level of color and black level that OLED panels can deliver at this time, but in a much larger size. They also developed the first screen that went into space called the Zero-G. It's currently still on the International Space Station. Right now they offer a wide variety of models that can fit many different lifestyles, either built into a ceiling or something that can actually be built onto a ceiling, as well as making products that now support ultra short throw laser projectors. They also, about 2 years ago, got into the shade business because essentially the only difference between a motorized projection screen and a motorized shade is the material that you place on it. They also took a look at that market and found there were some holes in the market where they could go in and offer a better product. What you're seeing on the table is the results of many years of innovation as well as much fine-tuning. And what this product is called the Nano shade product. It is available both in a wired and wireless version. That way we can also not only introduce these products into new construction, but we can retrofit these into existing houses as well. The big benefit of the Nano spot shades from USAI is the new Nano Box. They offer the smallest diameter case in the market. They also offer this case in 12 custom colors, which is a lot more than what is currently available. The beauty of this product is it can be easily retrofitted into an existing construction. The small case is very unobtrusive, and it gives the client the ability to have that custom pocket look without the expense of having to build additional pockets. If a client is interested in using the rechargeable, one of the questions we normally get is, well, how long do the batteries last? They're designed to be charged about every 8 to 9 months. It's very easy. They are equipped with a little power port. This is very similar to the same type of power port that you have on your portable computer. It's magnetic, and it simply sucks the power adapter. This cord is just a short version for demonstration. We actually sell these cords in 20-foot lengths and even longer, so it becomes easy for us to recharge your rechargeable shades. Again, this would be something you do about once a year. We also offer the same form factor, but in an exposed roll. So this is the brackets that we would use without using the case. We can just have the shade material placed on a roll, and this is the only thing that you would see, and then you'd have the shade go between the two brackets. These brackets are also available in 12 custom colors. One of the questions that we often get asked is what type of fabrics are available. Your designers can go through and pick the same type of fabrics that they're used to getting from any other motorized shades. So from companies such as Pfeiffer, Vertilux, Mermet, these should all be familiar. You can select any fabric from those books and have them placed onto your shades, or you can select from what are known as our top picks. These are probably represent about 85% of the materials that are being sold in the market right now. If you opt to go with that more custom pocket look, we do also offer that. We offer a template, actually a pocket product. This would be built into the ceiling at pre-construction, and this would allow the shade to be installed where you don't actually see the rollers. You would simply see the material coming out of the screen. In addition to indoor shading solutions, we offer outdoor shading solutions. That is known as our Zen product, available also in an exposed roll, and in something we call a cassette, which is just the same type of box. It's just something that can be mounted outside. Instead of the traditional shade material, we would use materials that would look much more like a screen product or a fine screen. The team at Zettacomm can help you choose the right fabrics for your particular application. The cassettes also come in a variety of 9 different powder-coated finishes. Both of these screens use the same type of very quiet motor design. We have an example here of 2 shades mounted in the same box. It's called a dual roller, where we can actually mount 2 different types of fabrics for the same application in the house. Typically, we'd have a light fabric for during the daytime to let light transfer into the house, or we go with a darker fabric at nighttime to then shade or give you more privacy in the evening. One of the ways we can integrate this is by a wireless control. And here, all I'm going to do is press the button. And I'd like to point out that how quiet that motor is. This technology is one of the main reasons why a lot of customers choose Screen Innovations, because of how quiet the motor is in their home. And that's the Screen Innovation Nano product and Zen Outdoor product. Come talk to the team here at Zettacomm, and they can be happy to help you with your proposal.